Welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of my KitchenAid food processor. Okay, as you look at the box, it's a 3.3 liters, basically a 14 cup food processor. It has 3 functions. It has exact slice system to slice from thick to thin. It comes in 3 colors, which is silver, white and red. I bought this at Shopee for a retail price of $359. At the back of the box, they have all the features. Okay, let me just shift the box a bit. Okay, this comes with a 3-in-1 ultra-wide mouth tube, external lever for adjustable light slicing, 3 functions, storage case, 950 milliliters of BPA-free work bowl, which is dishwasher safe, adjustable slicing disc, slice from thick to thin with only 1 disc, which is very hard to find, shredding disc for fine and coarse, as well as julienne disc. Comes with its ultra tight seal, 3.3 liter BPA free work bowl, multi-purpose blade, dough blade, multi-purpose blade for 950 milliliter bowl for chop and puree, as well as it comes with a spatula. And okay, so what was I talking about? Okay, you can see it over here. So all the details are here for you. Okay, apart from that, okay, we have other features over here. The first ever external lever adjusts slice from thick to thin. Speed 1 for soft delicate food. Speed 2 for hard and dense food. Pulse for processed intervals. Exclusive 3-in-1 ultra wide mouth tube. Processes food vertically or horizontally. Okay, so it's all indicated over here as well. Okay, so now let me open the box and show you what's inside the box. Okay, I've moved the box to the side because I think there are a lot of items inside. Okay. Okay, this is the manual. Okay. Comes with a spatula. This is the chef box which holds all the accessories. I'll show it to you all shortly. Now let's go to the main. Okay, this is the work bowl. Okay, the work bowl comes with 2. Okay, let me just open that for you. Okay, there are 2 work bowls. One is the bigger one, which is a 14 cups. This is the 950 ml, which is the smaller bowl. Okay. Put it back. It sits well inside. One corner. This is the ultra wide tube which I was talking about earlier, the special feature of this food processor. Okay, what do they mean by ultra wide tube? No, this is the small one for smaller, food to go in. Bigger ones. Okay. This is the ultra wide tube. I'm going to place it into the work bowl. Okay, I've already put in the tube inside. Next, we get to the main item, which is the food processor, the motor itself. Okay, this is made of cast iron, meaning it's heavy. Okay, it's not very light, it's very heavy. Okay, let me put the box aside first. Okay, so the main motor has a twist to lock feature. So basically, when you put your work bowl, okay, you just have to twist it and it will lock it itself. Okay, if you hear the clicking noise. Okay, let's look at the accessories which comes together with this food processor. Pushing this at one side. For you guys to see, so it looks very neatly being kept. Okay, so now the first one. Okay, this is for the chopping. Okay, as you can see, the blades are very sharp, so you need to be very careful. This is for dough kneading. These are the adapters. So the adapters is used for the slicing or the shredding, sliding or shredding trays. Okay, they have two adapters. Okay, this is one more adapter. This is another disc adapter as well. Okay. This is another slicer. This slicer is used for the bigger bowl. Okay. And this is used for the smaller bowl. Okay. Oh, sorry, I think I got it wrong. This is for the smaller bowl. And this is for the bigger bowl. Okay. Let's look at the rest. Okay. This is the adjustable slicing disc, which comes from thin to thick. Okay. This is the Julienne disc. What I read was some models don't come with the Julienne disc, so it totally depends on the model you're buying or which region you are in. Okay. This is the thick and the thin double-sided shredding disc. Okay. And they give you a beautiful box for you to keep all the accessories. So this is our new KitchenAid food processor. We'll be also showing new ingredients on how to use the food processor and make our life easy to do cooking. That will be soon in our upcoming videos. Stay safe and subscribe to Bunny's Kitchen.